Welcome to Google Certified Student Level 1, Google Calendar Scenario 5. In this scenario, Florencio is organizing the Senior Sunrise event to celebrate his class's impending graduation. He has created a calendar event called Senior Sunrise. Where does he click to invite his classmates to the Senior Sunrise event? So in scenario number 3, we created the actual calendar event. And we can see that it shows up right here in the calendar. So let's take a look at where you click to invite people. So if you click on the event here, then we're going to choose the edit button right here to open it up. And now I have all my options again here. So if I'm going to invite certain people or maybe a group of people, I click here, add guests. So if there is a special address that allows you to add everybody, you can type that here, or you can type individual people's names here. And you can type their name and then click on it right here. So I can add all these different people here to my event. So simply hit the add guests button right here to add guests to your Google Calendar event.